In Arizona with domestic violence charges, basically the state will look to several factors before they will claim an assault is domestic violence or a disorderly conduct is domestic violence. And the key is whether the two people are related to each other or whether they live under the same roof. So technically, roommates can be a domestic violence situation. The problem is once you are categorized as a domestic violence offender, you will have to go to jail when the police show up. Somebody is being arrested, either one person or both, and spending the night in jail. Thirdly, the designation of domestic violence offender will automatically cause certain repercussions, usually job loss, being blackballed from going to other jobs when you apply, losing your right to possess a firearm, things of these nature. A good attorney will know how to fight the allegations by showing the government that, number one, if something did happen, it wasn't a domestic situation. For example, a friend comes over to visit, or even a brother-in-law comes over to visit. We can sometimes argue that that's a tenuous relationship and not true domestic violence. A good attorney will know how to attack that. In regards to the defenses, we normally see domestic violence allegations occurring as couples are headed towards divorce or headed towards breaking up. And especially when there's a custody battle involved, where they're going to be arguing over a child. Because if you get a DUI or a domestic violence charge that sticks, you are automatically presumed by statute not to be the parent who is acting in the best interest of the children. So it's very devastating. You need to have a lawyer who can get rid of these charges and make sure that you don't get railroaded by the state. Some of the more common defenses are self-defense. They usually arrest the male because they think the female would be the victim. In reality, women nowadays are fairly tough and fairly outspoken, and a woman can attack a man by throwing dishes or by smashing his cell phone, and many males will react by attempting to grab them and hold them to keep them from damaging more property. The minute that happens, and if there is a scratch or any mark on the female, the police will automatically look to the male as the aggressor. And that's why you have to have an attorney that can fight these charges, show them what really happened, and make sure that they can get them dropped or reduced to some type of diversion where after several classes the charges are dropped and there's nothing on your record. Contact us and we'll tell you how to do it. If you're about to be charged with a crime, you have been charged, or somebody you know or love has been charged, you need to go to our website, www.dmcantor.com. We have over 98 separate criminal offenses listed with 300 pages of information. It will tell you the elements of the crime, it will tell you possible defenses, possible range of punishment, and it will explain exactly what we can do to help you or your loved one. But you need to click on our site and call us today.